Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And Capricorn, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And Capricorn, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have 8 of Cups in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse, and 6 of Cups. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are talking to some people, maybe your friends or family members. You are telling them how you truly feel and the reason for your happiness, or you are sharing some beautiful memories of your past, whatever has happened in your life, and today in your situation, in this relationship. You are talking to this person about something important. You have some dreams and plans, and you are expecting beautiful things in this relationship, and you are moving towards that. And you want this person to understand you, understand your expectations and your plans for your life together with them. So you are talking to them about something important, something that needs to be done. And this person you love, they have something they need to change. Maybe they have some addictions, or they are having some troubles they need to resolve, and that is the reason you're talking to them. You are trying to be really friendly, helping them out, consoling them, and you want a good relationship with this person. That is the reason you are speaking to them. And today you are the one who has clarity, and you are the one who knows the way out of some difficult circumstance this person is facing. Maybe they are sick, or they have some worries, something that is bothering them, and you're trying to cheer them up. You're trying to help them out in whatever way possible for you. So it may be your energy or your person's energy, Capricorn. So we will see what is the. It's 6 of Swords in reverse. So this person is definitely going to come out of their difficulty, and they are seeing you as a very kind, compassionate person, loving and caring, and they respect you, they respect your concern and the way you are showering your love and attention on this person. They are truly happy and they are thinking of you always. And if you are in a relationship, this person is definitely thinking of proposal, Capricorn, proposal or marriage with you. And if you are separate, if you are someone ready for a relationship, single, I feel that someone interesting is going to come to you, propose to you. Maybe they know that you are a very loving and caring person, and they are going to come to you to propose. And circumstances are good, and you're going to have a great time. Capricorn, circumstances are changing, and you will see that this relationship will work definitely. So that is the energy with these cards. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's Queen of Cups in reverse. So you are a very dedicated person working towards your dreams and goals. And maybe today you may see some suspension, some things may not work well. But you need to understand that your honest intentions, your efforts will never be wasted, Capricorn. So good things will come to you and you are going to see glimpses of something beautiful, positive coming very soon in your life. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what it is. A leg up. So with this card in your circumstances, maybe this may be the time for you to request help. Maybe if you are in a relationship. Any relationship thrives on interdependence. So it is important to recognize your role as well as the role of the other person. So you must let them support you. It may not be a financial support but emotional support. So if you are feeling really vulnerable, it may be time for you to speak up your needs and ask this person, because they will not know what you need, but you will be met with kindness and love. And you cannot expect them to read your mind giving you help voluntarily, but when you ask them it will be given, guys. So any relationship works well as a team. So this may be the time for teamwork, and that teamwork is going to attract wonderful miracles today in your life. So the same way in your work circumstances, this is the time for you to seek advice from your business partner or your advisor or mentor. You can get their help, and this is the time for you to get good counsel. And if you do that, and if you delegate authority to others, so you can take your steps towards big dreams. You will taste success very soon in your life. And this is the time for that, guys, for those who chose this card. So you must accept other people's guidance and help in your life today. That is going to change the whole scenario for you all. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So we will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So this card just means that this may be the time for you to have a good talk, telling this person what you truly feel. So talking things through is the answer, and you will know whatever you wish to know today. If you cannot talk to that person, you must journal, maybe write to them, or email or a message. That is going to help you. And if it is something that concerns your family or a neighbor, this may be the time for you to wipe the slate clean, maybe forget the past and start over again. And you must be grounded, and you must try to talk to others, maybe certain people. You need to communicate to them, and you need to prioritize. whoever you want or whoever is important for you, and you must tell them what you truly feel. That is going to help you. And this may be the time for you to meditate, guys. So meditation or some kind of spiritual practice is going to relieve you of all the stress, and it is going to help you in a very beautiful way. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.